What's good? What's good? It's Jonathan, the trading chemist. What's going on, y'all? Right now I am in a trade on gold. Currently I'm in a little bit of drawdown. Let's see how this goes. All right, I just lost that trade. All right. Well, that just happened real fast. But at the end of the day, let me wait for another setup and see what's going on, and I will get back to recording again. Well, while I'm waiting, I can explain the reason why I took the trade that I was going to take and why it ended up turning into an L, right? So basically, what I do is I'm I was looking at 15-minute structure, right? So I see it was a breaker structure here. This is the impulse, right? So I'm looking for price to pull back into at least this area interest right here, and then come down. So either I'm looking for price to come boom, boom, or come back deeper into here or here, right? So I end up, come on, all right. So what ended up happening on the 1 minute, right? So there was the breaker structure here and here, right? So price broke this structure here. I'm thinking, all right, it's going to stop at this area and actually hit this area here. So since it broke structure, I'm looking for it to retest and actually hit the 15-minute area interest one, and I was just going to get out and be done for the day, right? I'm happy. But now it looks like price is really consolidating at this point. So I'm waiting on it to go either way. Now I'm really thinking it's not going, if it does pull, well, if it does break and retest to the buy side, right? So it'll be pulling back on the 15 minute. I would probably be looking for it to actually go to area interest two right here, the supply area. But I'm really just seeing what price does, right? So if it ends up breaking these lows, I'm gonna wait for it to retest and actually take another sale. But I'm just gonna be weary about that sale. I'm not gonna really pass this area here, but I'm just playing out and just seeing what price is doing, and I'm just reacting to what's going on. But I'm not doing anything in this area anymore now that I got clipped for barely even a little tick. Like, so I just needed my stop loss actually to be a little bit wider, and I would have been still in this trade. But it is what it is. So other than that, I'm just gonna sit back, check out what price is doing, and I will update y'all on the next trade I take. All right, you guys. I had to bring over here. Everything kind of happened really fast. Um, Hopefully it keeps playing out, but it passed my 0% fib. I needed to keep pushing, really, right? Well, regardless of how it happened, I'm done, really. So, just to let y'all know what's going on and what ended up happening. So, price ended up breaking that low there when I was in consolidation. Waiting for it to hit this area here. That's my TP, and then I'm done for the day. But I originally none of this playing. Oh, let me just get this out of the way. But y'all see where I'm at right now in terms of what I'm doing. I have, but cool. Uh, that's annoying. Why are you going all the way back? The pullbacks are annoying. Anyways, let me run to y'all. Sorry about all the rambling, but let me run to y'all what ended up happening. I'm just trying to see how this plays out in the corner here. Uh, because what is my, where did I get in? 33.26, 33.2, 33.266. There we go. TP just smacked. But boom. There we go. So let me show y'all where I was at. Everything kind of happened all too fast for me to really catch what was going on. I'll probably have to stream it and whatnot. All right. So boom. All right. So we were in this consolidation here. In this consolidating area right here, I really wanted price to pull all the way back here. At least that was my initial thought, based on there being an impulse on the 15-minute chart here. Price started to pull back, so I thought, you know, typically it'll pull back to that 38.2 fib area, which is my first area entry, and then keep pushing, right? But it didn't. So it ended up hitting the 23.6 fib. That typically just means that, hey, the impulse is still moving, so there's still going to be a larger pullback, right? But regardless, I got what I needed out of the market, and I am done. But once price end up breaking this level here, right? I was just waiting for my retest. So there was this impulse right here. Either I was looking for it to come here, my supply area, or come all the way back to the support, right? And just give me some type of indication that, hey, we're dropping, right? So it ended up breaking this candle here. I typically wait for some type of variation or whatnot before price drops, and it did. It hit my 61.8 fib level, so I took it all the way down to the TP3 level, and then I got out. So that was a beautiful day. I think I hit what, about $200 for that trade, or close to it. I did have to cover for that loss. So yeah, but just to catch y'all up on everything. So I was trading Forex, but I was just like, after trading for what, maybe like a month or two, I was just like, oh, this all didn't really make too much sense, right? To turn around and do all of this trading on a live account with my own funds when I'm really just going to get a prop firm, right? I might as well just go ahead and go to the future side. I'm already trading gold. I just need to learn a few different things. I already know how I'm going to trade, and then just go from there. So what else ended up happening? So I end up getting 3 accounts with Top X, and I'm pretty much just filling out everything with my trading style. I realized that I am way too impatient um, in the market, and I went from trading like the 15 to 30 minute to trading the 1 minute, and I have gotten much better results. That's been working for me so much better than trading that higher time frame. I didn't know, and this is from me journaling and everything like that. I end up finding out that I'm really, really way more impatient, and like waiting for these big setups and everything like that drives me crazy. I'd rather just get in and go, right? So when I started trading on the 1 minute, I was really a little nervous, but it was just like, as soon as I hit that first trade, I'm just like, shit, I'd rather be in and out and call it a day, right? So did it, tried it, loved it, and I think I just found my new thing. So right now, uh, I've been pretty much filling out how I'm going to trade with the 1 minute chart, but I filtered out everything, kind of found my style. So I'm pretty much trading based off of the 15-minute market structure, and based off of what it's doing. I'm trading that on the 1 minute, right? So just to give y'all an example, and it's essentially what I just explained for the trade that I'm taking today. Let's, yeah, so impulse, correction, continuation. So this is the new impulse leg, right? This broke structure on the 15 minute. All right. So now that I know that it's made this impulse, it can only do one or two things: keep on going down or pull back, right? Typically, it's going to pull back when the impulse is done pushing, right? So it's going to pull back. It's going to pull back to a couple levels, and then it's going to go in its intended direction, right? So I just drop down to the 1 minute and follow the breadcrumbs. So that's why my first initial trade, I was looking for that buy, even though it's in the sale market. I was looking for a buy because I thought the price was going to pull back a little bit more, right? But it didn't, right? And it still may end up pulling back more. This may still be part of the impulse, but whatever. I'm just going with it. But it ended up breaking that low right here, retested everything, and I got in, got out. I'm done for the day, right? So that's about it, though. Other than that, yeah, that's all I got. If y'all ain't have any questions, want me to do a certain type of video, got any explanations, if y'all want to know anything about how the way I trade, just let me know and I'll make a video about it. Peace.